Hi, I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about an old friend of yours, WD-40. Now, I don't have to tell you how to use WD-40. You've been using it for 50 years. But what I am going to show you is some of the innovation that we've built into some of the packaging that's going to help you use it easier. First thing we have is that this is the can you're most familiar with. Now, WD-40 penetrates, lubricates, it removes moisture from surfaces, it protects surfaces. And that's why you've been using this can. And it's always been the same can. Spray out the top, and when you want to do those little fine areas, the straw is always taped right here. Straw comes off, sticks in the top of the can for the little areas. But now what we've done, because we've got a lot of people that tell us they keep losing the straw, so now we've invented WD-40 Smart Straw. What we've done is built an applicator where that straw stays right where it is, when you want it, where you want to use it. So you just spray it like this, and it's a regular aerosol spray, and then all you need to do is flip up the top, and the straw is right there. So you could now spray that straw in little areas without having to look everywhere for it. You know, we got a lot of ideas from a lot of our customers. One of the ideas that we came with is using WD-40 in a bigger blast, and that's what this is called, WD-40 Big Blast Can. People came to us and said, I got to spray big areas with this, and it takes too long with a little sprayer. This wide mouth applicator works for WD-40 to give you that big spray. And after we invented a huge area to spray, people came and also said, hey, I got to get to little tiny places with WD-40, and sometimes that spray just isn't what I want to do. Now, we came up with WD-40 No Mess Pen. And the brilliance of this product is there's got to be 100 uses for this thing. It is everywhere from windows, in those little places where you can't spray. Windows, drawers, zippers, scissors, even expensive cameras you could use this product at. And it's easy to use. All you got to do is take the WD-40 No Mess Pen, open up the cap, and that's your applicator. This thing's like a paintbrush. You could use WD-40 and place it in places you normally couldn't. Now, some things won't change. One of which is the WD-40 gallon container. We still sell it like that. This is great for soaking tools, for keeping them rust-free. I know I use it for my gardening tools. And you could also, when you buy this gallon, you could buy this applicator, this sprayer, so you just pour the gallon in here and you could spray it. People ask us where we get our ideas from. The fun part is we get our ideas from you. If you go on our website, www.wd40.com, you will see 2,000 plus uses that we get from our customers, and these are our loyal fan base, and they're a lot of fun to talk to. And they've listed, and we've got them organized in like auto enthusiasts and DIYers and gardeners and sports enthusiasts. And what you could do is you could, if you were going to use it for something, you can kind of figure out what you want to use it for and see all the uses that our fan base and our customers have come to us with. Now, there's all sorts of things that you won't believe. There are people that use WD-40 to stick gum that's stuck on rugs or stuck underneath tables. People use it to keep their car doors from freezing. There's even a woman that couldn't open her stove door, her oven door, because the oven was frozen. And 2 sprays of WD-40 and it gave her oven back. I think it was for her Thanksgiving dinner. Take a look at what we have out there. Take a look at our 2,000 plus uses that you've given to us. Maybe you want to add a few for yourself.